Hey, it's Brennan here from Akai Professional in Canada. I'm the product specialist. I'm doing these videos as follow-up to questions that people have left on my channel, all that good stuff. So I'm just going to create this new session, empty project. There we go. And I wanted to show you the window in here. If I press that eyeball. So I'm on a drum program right now. Inside of here, I have a bunch of information. I have my fader, I have my automation record right, I have my muting and my soloing. So when I'm doing my volume automation, I like to have this window open. I usually don't do more than one at a time. You can see if I select that, it just automatically assigns to the jog wheel. So that's going up and down, and it's on the jog there. So yeah, this is where I do my mixing, really. And then I also have the insert tab, so I can put whatever effects I want to into there. I can either tap on the screen, or I can press enter and go and select whatever effect I want to. Tapping here brings it up, and then I have my control available for my effects here. So that just shows you a bit on how the interface works. Let's do that as a very quick video. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below.